In front of me is XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this XIAOMI. Begin by opening settings. In them you need to scroll down and click on passwords and security. Now tap on screen lock section and tap on the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. Then wait 5 seconds and choose Got It in the pop-up. Following that, you need to create your login method and repeat it in order to confirm it. Lastly, tap on Confirm, and if you wish to add your fingerprint by choosing Add in the pop-up and following all of the presented instructions. If you don't want to do it now, select Cancel. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!